Stuff Detailing Disc Brake Conversion Kit for 14-inch wheels. Now that's a very catchy name. Alright, so we're going to start off here on box 1 and see what's inside of it. Well, it's a box with boxes in it. Of course it is. Alright, so inside these white boxes look to be the calipers. Here's a close-up of it. Alright, so inside this other cardboard box contains... So inside here is a bearing kit. Alright, so that's in that box. Oh, also... instructions. Okay, so inside the final box of box 1 is... well, it looks like the caliper brackets. That's bracket 1, 2, bolts, more bolts, some washers. Alright, so let's just pile all that right back into the box. Yeah, it says it right here on the front, bracket kit. So that's everything in box A. On to box 2. This feels like it has calipers in it. So, this again contains a box in the box. So why not? Oh, let's open it up. Can you tell me exactly what this piece of cardboard was really doing? Like, it was holding the bag from being like this to this? I don't know. Anyway, here, let me give you a close-up of the caliper. Alright, so just put it all back together. And, well, let's open the art box, though I very much expect it's exactly the same thing. Oh, so that's how the cardboard was supposed to be. I guess the other one got broken. So it's supposed to kind of hold it tight. Thanks for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next video.